Cooking is an art, and every artist deserves the perfect tools to bring their creations to life. This Our Place Always Pan 2.0, a masterpiece of design and utility that redefines versatility in cookware. This pan isn't just another addition to your kitchen, it's an all-in-one solution that simplifies your cooking experience while prioritizing health, efficiency, and aesthetics. Let's delve into why this pan deserves a permanent spot in your home. All-in-one culinary wonder. With the Always Pan 2.0, you don't need to clutter your kitchen with a dozen tools. This ingenious 10.5-inch pan is a jack-of-all-trades, functioning as a skillet, sauté pan, steamer, and even a saucier. From braising tender meats to crafting delicate sauces, this pan handles every culinary challenge with grace. Its versatility doesn't just save space, it redefines convenience. Health-conscious cooking at its best. Crafted with Thermakind ceramic coating, the Always Pan 2.0 sets a new standard for safe, toxin-free cooking. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that may contain PTFEs, PFOAs, or other harmful chemicals, this pan ensures you can cook with peace of mind. No more worrying about what's leaching into your food, this pan puts your health first. Unmatched non-stick performance. The proprietary Thermakind coating delivers a non-stick surface that's not only long-lasting, but also a dream to cook on. Imagine flipping a perfectly seared piece of fish without it sticking, or preparing delicate crepes that slide right off. Cleanup is equally effortless, making this pan a game-changer for anyone who values ease in the kitchen. Built to last. Durability meets elegance with the Always Pan 2.0. Its aluminum body ensures even heat distribution for consistent cooking results, while the stainless steel handle provides a sturdy grip. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all stovetops, including induction. This pan adapts to your cooking style and environment effortlessly. Its robust construction ensures it remains a reliable companion for years to come. Thoughtful design and functionality. The pan's lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and its stylish aesthetic ensures it complements any kitchen decor. The snug-fitting lid isn't just for looks, it traps heat and moisture for better cooking results. Need to steam veggies or dumplings? The included steamer basket has you covered. 1. Declutter your kitchen. Replaces up to 10 traditional tools, saving space and effort. 2. Cook with confidence, made without toxic materials, ensuring healthier meals. 3. Effortless cleanup. Non-stick surface simplifies post-cooking maintenance. 4. Unrivaled versatility. From stovetop to oven, this pan does it all. 5. Aesthetic and practical. Combines beauty with functionality to elevate your kitchen experience. Why every home needs the Always Pan 2.0? The Always Pan 2.0 isn't just cookware, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Perfect for busy families, novice cooks, and culinary enthusiasts alike, it's designed to make cooking a joy, not a chore. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or hosting a dinner party, this pan rises to every occasion. Final thoughts. Why the Our Place Always Pan 2.0 is a game changer. This Our Place Always Pan 2.0 isn't just another piece of cookware, it's a revolution in the kitchen. With its unparalleled versatility, toxin-free design, and premium non-stick performance, this pan simplifies cooking, reduces cleanup stress, and ensures your meals are both delicious and healthy. It's perfect for those who want to declutter their kitchen, streamline their cooking process, and elevate their culinary experience. Every detail of the Always Pan 2.0 has been thoughtfully crafted to provide maximum convenience and performance. From its sturdy, heat-resistant stainless steel handle to its lightweight aluminum body that ensures even heat distribution. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, this pan will quickly become your go-to for everything from quick breakfasts to gourmet meals. Backed by its durable Thermakind ceramic coating, the Always Pan 2.0 is designed to last, proving to be an investment in quality and longevity. Its ability to replace 10 traditional tools not only saves space, but also makes it an essential piece for anyone who values efficiency without compromising on results. If you're seeking a cookware solution that combines beauty, utility, and health-conscious design, the Always Pan 2.0 is the clear choice. Elevate your cooking game today with a pan that truly does it all. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.